How to have a WordPress registration form with cover header. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to have a WordPress registration form with cover header. This will make your registration cooler. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, you need to set up your registration page first. Please navigate to Settings, BuddyPress menu, and then Pages tab. And then, make sure the register form already set to a page. And then click Save Settings button. Next step, navigate to Youzify panel and Membership Settings, and Register Settings. Navigate to Header Settings box, enable Form Cover and click Upload button. However, you can upload a new image or select from existing image on the media library. You also can change the form title and subtitle. And let's see the result. Now you can have a cool cover header for your user registration form. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.